Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reset your cheap Chinese spreadtrum based watches like this one. I have in hands today GARMIX PointPRO. Also, if connect them to PC, we will see G4CS model. Let me show you this. I will connect them and just a few seconds and we will see model there. Yep, G4CS. So, I will use Pandora tool for reset because I'm Google this model and this watch is based on spreadtrum SC9872. By the way, I think backup also will be available now. So for operation you should disassemble watches and solder USB cable to these points. I have pinout like this, maybe you can have some another pinout, or also it's not necessary to disassemble, you can order some Chinese or maybe original USB cable for these watches. So here we have plus, GND, and data plus, data minus. And here we have boot point, this one. I hope you see everything. So now let's reconnect power. By the way, let me show you watch is blocked with some user code. I will just resolve the plus wire. Yeah, done, and let's solder them in the back. Done. So now let's move to PC. Login. Let's choose already, by the way, choose spreadtrum, and here we should select correct CPU. Do not post in comments that something not work. I have 9873E in these watches. Maybe you can have some another CPU, so do not post that something not works. I'm just showing that we can unlock some Chinese watches also with Pandora tool. So now after this I will short boot point, boot pin to GND and connect USB cable to PC, but first we should press wipe data, confirm, and now with shorten I'm connect to USB cable. So software attached to USB port, loaders uploaded, and just now we should wait for completing wipe. Software will create default file system for cache partitions and partition and user data partition. And everything done. Now we can disconnect our cable from PC. And let's wait for booting. Right friends, watch is booted, we can unlock it now and we see that user code not presents. Job done. So we see that we can unlock watches like this with Pandora tool. Press like if you like this video, follow channel, and if somebody needs remote unlocks like this one or some other user locks or network locks or FreeRP, you can always inbox me with number and video description. See you later, friends.